GoodRx Boy.
Hey guys, my name is Alex, and today I'll be showing you how to get discounts or coupons for Levothyroxine. To get started, I'm going to need you to gather 4 pieces of information, one being the name of the drug, which would be levothyroxine. Second one is going to be the dosage, or in other words, the strength the doctor has prescribed you for your prescription. They come from 25 microgram all the way to 300 microgram. Third one is going to be the form. For this prescription, it only comes either in a tablet form or a vial form. And lastly is going to be the quantity. How much did the doctor prescribe you? Did the doctor prescribe you a 30 tablet, 60 tablets, or 90 tablets? If you're having problems finding this information, you could always call your doctors. You could always look at the paperwork that they have given you. And lastly, you could always call your pharmacy. The pharmacy always has this information available for you.
First, you need to go to the web browser and type www.goodrx.com. Once we're on the website, we're going to need to go and type the name of the prescription, which this time would be levothyroxine, and find lowest prices. Once you're on this page, we're going to be using the 4 pieces of information that we have gathered. First, you're going to pick the name, make sure it's levothyroxine. You could always pick the other names, but the most common one and the most affordable one is going to be levothyroxine. Next, you're going to be inserting whichever the doctor has prescribed you, either if it's tablet or vial. Next, make sure you insert the correct dosage. It goes all the way from 25 micrograms all the way down to 300 micrograms. And lastly, make sure you insert the correct quantity, either 30, 60, or 90 tablets, or usually any unique prescription that the doctor has prescribed you can also insert it down below. On this page, you're going to be able to see all the pharmacies and their prices. So for this one, you will be able to see that Walgreens is the cheapest with $9.96. And if we scroll down, we're going to be able to see that Walmart is cheaper for $4. So again, guys, I would recommend you guys to go to Walmart and transfer your prescriptions to Walmart since it's cheapest. By any chance, if Walmart is not close to your house or you prefer another pharmacy, you can definitely pick any other pharmacies that are shown here. The closest pharmacist to my house is going to be CVS, so I'll be picking CVS. You will click where it says get free coupon. It will transfer you to a different website and it will show you your coupon. Make sure to show this to the pharmacist. You can either print it, email it, or text it to yourself. And lastly, if you can't do any of those, you can always write down the member ID number, the group, the bin, and the PCN. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. I'll gladly be able to answer as many as possible.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. And if you did, please leave a like and a comment down below. And also please share so that others can take advantage of this amazing coupons GoodRx has to offer. See you next time.